Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to review the Samsung Galaxy S8. I'm going to share all the important things that you need to know, but I must say that I'm not some professional tech reviewer, I'm just a regular user. And this video is going to have three parts: the good, the neutral, and then the bad. So I definitely recommend watching hauls because you're going to learn a lot of important things. So let's start. So what I like about this tablet is that how lightweight it is. It's amazing for traveling and working. Also, it's great for playing games because the performance is on point. And if you want to watch TV shows or let's say YouTube videos or movies, you can do that. The speakers are great. The display is sharp, and I also like the colors. So sharpness, colors, brightness, again, on point. Then you can connect it to your Bluetooth mouse and keyboard and it works great. Dex Mode is good too. You can expand memory if you want to. And the one thing I especially really like is the S Pen. So if you're someone who likes to draw or just work with a pen, you can do that. I'm going to show you what you can achieve with the S Pen. So when I come here and I'm going to press that I want to draw something. So what you have and what you can do is, let's say that I'm going to, the reaction is perfect. Also, if I'm going to, let's say that you want to write with the S Pen, so I would Marcus. Okay, and then we're gonna write stone. Okay, we need to go back because I stopped. Marcus Stone right here. See? Amazing. Also, what I can do is to create shapes. And it will automatically create shapes for me. So this is like the heart. So that's something you can do. Now, when I go further, and what you can also do, let's say that you're gonna be in a search. So you have option to write normally on the keyboard, or what you can do is to again write. Let's say that I'm going to God. Okay. So I just go back right now, and let's say that I want to write Google. And it write me, right? So that's something you can again do, and you can really play around with the S Pen. So the S Pen is working great too, and it's something that I like if you want to use it. Then what I like about this tablet is the camera, both front and back. So if you want to use it as a webcam for calls or you want to capture something, it's like the cameras are on point. So that's a great thing. And now let's talk about the neutral stuff. So the first thing is the battery life. Battery life, in my opinion, is average. I wouldn't say it's the best. You can have up to 5 to 8 hours of battery life. It depends what you do with this tablet. So if you're gonna play some high performance games and you're gonna have brightness on maximal, you're gonna drain it much quicker comparing if you would, let's say, reply to emails. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is that you don't have audio jack on this tablet. I don't say it's a negative thing. For me, it's neutral because I didn't really need it because I just use everything on Bluetooth, but maybe some people would appreciate if you would have audio jack, but it doesn't have. So that's something that you should definitely know. And now what are the bad things? So the first bad thing is charger. You're not going to get the charger with the package. And this is something mind-blowing for me because in the past, if I would get a tablet or like laptop, you would have charger there. Here you don't have it. Yes, the charging is with the USB-C. I have it at home, but first time that I open it, I'm like, where's the charger, right? Because you kind of expect it. So if you want to get it, let's say for as a gift for someone, I would definitely recommend getting also a charger with the USB-C connector, only because you don't have it in the packaging, and that's like a huge negative thing in my opinion from me. And the second thing is that when you're gonna put it, the S Pen, so you would expect that you would have it like up here so you can always see it. The S Pen, you have to store it right here. So this is something that I don't especially really like because you never know if it's going to drop. So let's say that you're gonna have it like this, you don't know that if it's going to fall off, right? So I don't really like where you're gonna put the S Pen if you want to just store it somewhere. So that's like another negative thing. And that's pretty much it about this tablet. Now, do I recommend it? I definitely do. Like performance, games, TV shows, movies, work, everything is perfect. The brightness, sharpness, the colors are amazing. The battery life, okay, is like if you're not going to, if you can play high performance games if you want to, but just keep in mind that maybe if you're going to travel and you're not going to have access to some charger, then I would definitely recommend getting a power bank, because let's say you're going to travel in a bus for 12 hours or in a train. So that's another thing. Now, the audio jack, okay, but then the negative things are not really impacting the tablet that much performance wise. It's like, why they didn't put the charger there, I don't know, but that's something that you should definitely know. And the second thing is that the S Pen. So I would much appreciate it if the S Pen wouldn't be here, but you could put it like here. It would be much better. So that's something that I would definitely recommend to know. And yeah, do I still recommend it? Yes, I definitely do. I still rate it 5 out of 5, but these are the details that I would definitely recommend for you to know. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, and goodbye.